The family now get angry, let everything velekwa. Wagera tata odege ya. You want now working on live video, you want to become a presenter, you want to start saga, be very, very smart. Because Maniruwe, we don't know the story. You understand me now? Hame Monica no yeka kaboma we nisi. Ikate matana we matana omambo I concerning mane presenters. Even when matana concern egbe no no awon do matana concern as still dey talk because I speak it and I direct it to traditional way. But since we do get egbe ni ma say egbe no yama gbo to live video. We tell him because you go kan go uyo we yakene hu de no we agwa na eti gwa no ma na asin you say egbe no kere he. You understand? So agbohiati one of your view who work any benny. You understand? They brought in Zua. Do when I'm a brat here, brat you de waiting with Monica area. You understand? So that's why the family they're not happy. And they said they want to come and speak to the general public so that all of us will go know the story, we will hear the story. I be not be so. Not be this one say now from Victor talking, now Precious Med talking, now and this one Felicia talking, now this one talking, and the family want talk. Obi understand me now. So if you don't know what guy, cause opinion, opinion do one. Egbe opinion no dio no bia. So hello. What up, bro? Hello, what up, bro? See the live video now. What up, speaker now? What up? And what down yo? John Iselogbe, what up? What I know. Madam yo sa watok besa. Madam yo.
Bishop Otto, 2 weeks. Ọ̀nà àmì ẹ̀rọ ìjìnlẹ̀ ayé àkọ́ mi kí àwùwá ọ̀tẹ́rẹ̀ kàmá ẹ̀fẹ̀ èsù gbọ́dọ̀ máa gbé náà. So Albert Murphy never assume they better quiet and listen to family. Ìwà yáda wọ̀ okay lọ́dọ̀ sùnù wẹ̀ ó yí ta ni náà ọ̀tẹ́rẹ̀ wẹ́ ẹ̀sìn fẹ́dẹ̀ ìyẹn bá ṣáàtì one on one ọ̀tẹ́rẹ̀ wẹ́ lọ́la jẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ ṣàyẹ̀wò ní wọ́n jẹ́ ìsèpá ẹ̀wọ́n tà ẹ̀ lọ́yẹ̀ káwọn mọ̀ mú ẹ̀sìn fẹ́dẹ̀ jẹ́ àgbẹ̀wò ayé ẹ̀fẹ́ lọ́nà ìmọ̀ ẹ̀níyà ọba àwọn mú ẹ̀ jíṣẹ́ ẹ̀fẹ́ náà ẹ̀gbọ́n the last one wefe that was last year vision ní ẹ̀fọ́ bájì Nàìjíríà bèbí ń sọ èdè ẹgbẹ́ kàgbé anáwó lè fẹ́ yà fẹ́ bọ̀ wẹ̀ ẹ̀dìmọ́ fi fà nínú ìtò à wẹ̀ àwẹ̀fẹ̀ rẹ̀ wọ̀tí nàìjíríà UK rẹ̀ ẹ̀fẹ̀ yìí lé Nàìjíríà anáwó lè wọ́n fẹ́ bọ̀ ẹgbẹ̀rún náà wọ́n fẹ́ yẹn wọ́n ayé ìkẹgbẹ́ anáwó lè wọ́n fẹ́ yẹn wọ́n ẹ̀fẹ̀ bí yẹn fẹ́ ọ̀nẹ́sà àfíà ọkì mọ̀yárì ní ilé yàtọ̀ tẹ̀ báyẹn fẹ́ bọ̀ ẹ̀fẹ̀ náà lẹ̀ ọ̀ma fẹ́ bọ̀. Tọ́jú iye náà wẹ́ ẹ̀dí yẹn náà ti kàṣọ ọ̀dọ̀ lórí ẹ̀yìnwá ọ̀kẹ́kẹ́ dọ̀tà ẹ̀ náà wẹ̀ á tẹ̀ dẹ́nu wọ́tá náà yìí mẹ́rin àárẹ̀ wa owó ọ̀dẹ̀ fẹ́ lẹ́wọ́ bí yẹn fẹ́ bọ̀ ọ̀bí yẹn fẹ́ bọ̀ ìgbésẹ̀ àyè gẹ́tò ògùn yà rúǹkà gẹ́tò ògùn yà òbí náà ìfẹ́ pọ̀ ní tẹ̀lẹ̀ àmúkè náà mọ̀ ojú mẹ́jẹ̀ wọ́pọ̀ náà fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ tẹ̀ rí ìyẹ̀kù ẹ̀ ní ìlàpọ̀ ọmọ ẹ̀fẹ̀ mú ẹ̀ ìgbàsí ló bí ṣe mẹ́jẹ̀ wọ́pọ̀ ọ̀tẹ̀ ní ọmọ yẹn pa yẹ wani wọ́n yá ìgbà mú ṣe mẹ́jẹ̀ wọ́pọ̀ àmì ìgbàsí máa ti pọ̀ nípa ni kí wọ́n kẹfẹ́. Ìwọ̀n ọdún sẹ́ maybe nasọ́ nàbí when you are by you are in trouble when you are in your career. The very last thing I know, when you are people who I don't use fake life. I've been in Europe for the past 24 years. I am in Europe. I live in Spain. The government feed me. I take care of my children. Take care of my home. I was a being on another game. We are okay. Last year, never. No one has to say fake life. You are getting them away. You are the young. People when you are when you have a challenge. Now, everybody beg you again. More time you have. If you are not 2 months never, no one in Nigeria no one say you are. Or if you are there, if Felicia don't want to buy your home, or can make a Felicia where you go. Or if I am you go. Ní ẹ̀ka plan ẹ̀ ọ̀dọ̀ kẹ́kẹ́ kẹ́yẹ́ lẹ́yìn ní wọ́n jẹ́ wọ́n wà bá òbí wọ́n lè fi ká ní wàlẹ́ wọ́n náà fẹ́ ìwé wa lóun ká ẹ̀fẹ̀ ọ̀hún gbé náà wọ́n bẹ́ náà bẹ́ ọ̀hún gbé. Òbí ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹ̀fẹ̀ àwọn ọlọ́pàá àlàwà wọ́n yẹ polisi mú òbí ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ parí. Kí ẹ lè mọ kí ẹ fi lè yẹ làjà ẹ̀fẹ̀ sọ́tẹ̀ òbí ṣe lọ bí ọ̀. Kẹ̀mí kílà ẹgbẹ́ ti ló ti dá lọ fi mọ̀ yí ẹ̀fẹ̀ kí ọ̀. Ọyí àmẹ́rẹ̀ ló àbúṣe rẹ̀ abẹ́ wọ́n ní ayé ti ta yàrá ní ká ẹ̀dẹ̀gbẹ́ ẹ̀dẹ̀gbẹ́ ìgbàsẹ̀ lọ kékeré jù ẹ̀yẹ́ àbúṣe rẹ̀ ẹ̀bíṣe rẹ̀ pọ̀ àná ìyẹn yà á kú kúṣẹ́ mi bẹ́ẹ̀ dàbí jí mẹ́wọ́ ìyá àbúṣe rẹ̀ wọ́n jẹ́ sí yàrá ayá wa ẹ̀yẹ́ ní yàrá mọ̀ ọ̀tẹ́rẹ́ alágbòdẹ lẹ́kẹ̀kẹ́ ló sì wà lágbòdẹ ìyẹn mú yà fẹ́ ìyẹn mú yà sí ẹ̀kọ́ yìí wá ọ̀tẹ́rẹ́ jẹ́ pẹ́ẹ́tìrẹ́dẹ́ ilé àbùmú náà yóò sùn wọ́n dání ọlọ́pàá bọ́ ìyá rẹ̀ ọlọ́pàá jẹ́s ètí ẹ̀rẹ̀gẹ̀ ọ̀yà kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ yìí wá wẹ́ ìyẹn àgbọ̀ ọ̀gbìn ẹ̀ wà òwò àná ìṣú gbẹ máa bọ́ lè ìṣí mẹ́rin gímẹ̀ àgbọ̀ lọ́pọ̀ kọ̀wé ẹ̀fẹ̀ náà wọ́wẹ́ ìyẹn yà wá wẹ́ iṣẹ́ mẹ́rin ti là wá ní ẹ̀yà kú iṣẹ́ mẹ́fà wẹ́ iṣẹ́ ọ̀gá ẹ̀yà wá ní ẹ̀rẹ̀ntà ọ̀yà àgbáyé ọ̀gbìn ẹ̀tẹ̀lọ́múnà ọ̀gbìnmọ̀míyà ọ̀pẹ́nìkẹ́ ìwà but today I just want to force out na bàbá ẹni yẹn wẹ ẹ̀rọ àti bàbá ti yé mà yẹ ẹtì màmá yẹn mọ̀gá o ọ̀pẹ́ ẹ̀gbẹ́ ẹtì ló fi ṣe bẹ̀ ìyá abẹ́ ìmúra yà abẹ́ tiẹ̀ wẹ ọ̀tẹ́mẹ́nìkẹ́ lọ ọ̀gá àwọn ti yẹn ní testimony yà ní ẹ̀fẹ́ ìmọ̀ bí ẹ̀lẹ́ tún yà ẹ̀fẹ́ ọ̀hún kò nà jẹ́ yà yìí sóta ẹ̀hún kò ìgbé àgbà which men, no seven men never go to them now, no seven bright. Right from here after the war, and the bright in we go to the provision and the figure out or tell them your kima right from Nigeria. Men we go to you can your weapon. As a matter of go to the bright also one on the go to we all or tell or tell them your kima way. Or anybody of Sanima, a bright like your little Mamako King, a bright, even when I said the care of Roba. Every young level, no yard over, now big boy B, and now five boy, even over a loop. Well, that's a matter. Don't jump away. Yeah? When you have a chap of a king cafe, when a wow, one is, you eat shots in the marble. The marble. Also, that's how you are, that's not saying in Nigeria. For 4 months, nowhere, you have to go more. When I was there, I go more single father. When I was single mother in Nigeria, the chain of that, while I will go, while we that's it. Honestly, more, you team over. When I was in Nigeria, I don't know you are cooking more. For 1 year, you get free. We don't want to send it. Oh, I get all the men. What we have 2 weeks, see me and you are. Here can you go, you have a vision over there. You have your go, you have a go, every like we talk about. Now, I'm going to Gary, or Gaku, or go with the of government. The Wesley Hotel, or the bigger Wesley Hotel, where I want to be a chicken, who to Susu, who shock you. Or I shot every 1 hour. They can only see you. Melted Maria Yakus, Walina, March, Papa. They can not realize when I went out of the football. I walk away by water. After I said, I walk in there. My brother, Frank.
What up?
Wishing what time here. All that was better now. The right is seeing me or UK. I think it was 3 years, about 4 years ago. I think I could break every all of my where our wife or who where we will be able to another yard. Well, what not Pala, we can pass up with the vision report. No, I can't get money out of it. I don't know where only a man go. We got a couple of vision and I'm going to soon die. Oh, God, and if you're not getting a vision and I get bright, you're not going to no vision and no time. You're not giving a book. I'm going to where now you are only. I'm asking your pa. And when I remember, I'm not telling you. I'm asking your pa. I'm asking it's all about health to like trouble. I think
Let me say, if I'm a pastor, that's in there.
Data the more feel you go down. I might be big my young. Money, my young die. My dad is a man. The most money we carry. I might be carry. A record to me, let the more free way back. Near Lagua or women to date. A record to me, women. Just if I were the most come ever, more the African. More everywhere. Well, I don't know about trouble. And more your time in my head. A relative wish me now wish to cover power could talk with me now. But a wish okay, I don't get to where I hope there no more news. Oh, yeah.
Exactly. Oh, Busse, Italian. Julie London. Julie London or no? Okoro. I don't trust me, man. He's a no boy. Hey, G. What all? What all? What talk better? Yeah, I don't know talk me. What's this? Domosa. La epa ya ati na water ya ati na water so wa. Otani ya no ne me na ya mo me na so kege ni ke o ri e o hen se wiki na na pe de na ade na. Wa weti e fe ne. Wa weti e fe ne. What's it, bros? All right, man. What's it? Ciao. What's it? Take care. All right, man. Yes, so my people, I greet you now. Now, this is Frank Victor, the Umewa one of the universe. The Eyiwa one of Sheshege. It is now open for you all to hear, for those of you who hear Bini, I want to speak English, that F1 Keke, probably known as Wagino Tarata, she's a doctor's woman, signed by the family of Inauna. Now, even your husband don't catch on with man for side moto. My husband, our own husband, don't catch on with man. When the man they sweep me, the motor they bounce, they bounce like this, they go up. The man, why my car is bouncing? How can this car be bouncing? What is going on? Why is this car bouncing? Who is lifting this car? Who is lifting this car? The man was going closer to the motor, and he got to the motor was doing and he saw the wife after 3 children. The car was bouncing, and you still put that kind of wife for house. Stupid man. You still put that kind of wife for house. The wife you see for hotel, you come marry and say wife. You come still see her after she don't go for you. You see they do you still carry and leave her for house. You see, I told you, you can never make it. How many times did I tell you that this Europe is not made for some men? Monica, come here. The Iyagbe of adulterous woman. Come sit down and you hear story of your subjects. The way you are enlarging. You are teaching them work. Your students. Come hear story. Story upon story. Thank God for Princess by birth. They don't give her a document. And that one don't get one FES document for UK. You understand? That one don't get document after many years in UK. Who get the cap? He not get the head. Who get the head? He not get the cap. Ẹni tó nórí kò ní fìlà. Ẹni tó ní fìlà kò nórí. Ògbórùnyòrì, ọ̀bẹ̀rù, ògbórùrù, ọ̀bùnyèrí. Now be this life, oh. Una see Genotagata. If see, you go post picture. It a post picture just now. Cruising. Yeah, my husband. After Valentine, the post picture. See your life now. You're about to get yellow day. See how dirty you are. Married woman. All the glinters are not good. A sister in UK or mad okay. Not be everybody will marry, really marry. Some are mad women. You understand? You see us. He said, "Frank, don't speak my language. Don't speak my language." Oh God! You understand? This thing not shock me. I thought I said today he go shock. He go shock. He go shock. When I see life, it don't balance. Wagino tagata, hekirize no guado. Wagino tagata, hekirize no guado. Bang bang bang. Egbe atota nego we natama. Egbe agwe atota ema ma egbe oyebe niye. Akize de gwe no gwade ki. Wagi gino tagata. Gbe agwe atota na natama oyebe niye. Oh, wagino tagata. When you know say you be a adulterous woman, you go give yourself that name. Wagino tagata. Whereas your real name now. Obele go some money. Omiogo, ofiogo. Achi wele. Ogunoro was where water. The family said you are no longer a wife, you are not a girlfriend, you are not a baby mama, and you have to go do DNA test for those children. Make bright for not the one way be young for inside, so that we separate bright own and separate. I don't know. Maybe Ajebo will get some for inside. Maybe some of the picking now. The head figure look like Ajebo head. So the leg figure resemble Ajebo leg. No, some go short like Ajebo. You know the story. So we need to separate the boys from the men. No, you understand me? It's very important. This is not a joking matter. This life, these things not as yes, not be saying that. Hello. What up, man? What up? Vamos lá.